Why am I not able to add someone to Snapchat? Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you why I'm not able to add someone to Snapchat. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in order to do this, let's head over to Snapchat, and the usual thing you need to do is to just click on this inbox right here, and from in there you can see all of this. So if you click on this right here, we can see friends, so we can add them from the quick add. So let's try to add them. But if you haven't been able to try to add them, then what you need to do is you can actually search for the person that you want to search. So for example, search for John, and it will show you all of the people that have John in their name. But if you haven't been able to add them, then what you need to do is to head over to your Google Chrome, because thankfully Snapchat has a troubleshooting issue or article for this issue. So this troubleshoot issues adding friends on Snapchat is because if you're having trouble, make sure that your device has good internet connection. Snapchat supports both Wi-Fi and mobile data, so make sure that you have a strong connection. But if there's still an issue, the few causes are this four right here. So if that Snapchatter has blocked you, then you won't be able to add them. Pretty easy and simple. So right here, and the second reason is because the Snapchatter has deleted the account, and then Snapchat hasn't removed them from the quick add yet because they have actually been debugged on the system. So the third reason is because you have too many friends. There's only a limit to Snapchat friends, and you need to know the limit, and if you have reached that limit, then you won't be able to add any friends. So the fourth is if you added friends too quickly. If you added friends too quickly, then that will also limit your interactions to other people. So let's try to search for that limit on Snapchat. And if you search for Snapchat friends limit, you can see that it already have 6,000. It's a lot, but if you have reached 6,000 friends, then you won't be able to add anymore. You can just remove a friend that you have and then add someone else that you want to add. Then when you scroll down, you can see the max add-ons on Snapchat, and it is about 100 to 130 friends per day. So if you have reached or exceeded that, then Snapchat won't be able to let you add someone else anymore. So that's the whole process. I hope you know now why you're not able to add someone to Snapchat. If you have questions and comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.